Okay guys, I'm cleaning out this shed a little bit. I gotta put some stuff back. So, the mower decks for the wheel horses, that the two remaining that I have that are not in use. Okay. This is 1964, the first year for the rounded decks. 32 inch. Then behind it is a 1963. And the difference between the 62 and a 63, these hoops right here, you see how this is flat? And they're more rounded and come out on a 62 deck. So that's what you're looking for if you have a 63, 753 or something like that. So this deck will eventually go on the 753. I mean, it needs a lot of work, but it is what it is. Got my little rack rigged up here. The hydro transmission out of the parts Craftsman is going to go on top. Then whatever else I have. My buckets of wires are going to go back there. I got some miscellaneous parts on top of the parts washer. I just threw everything over here. I also cleaned out a bunch of metal that was in here that got water in it, and yeah, there's another lift support for a Craftsman, and then below is more parts for a Craftsman GT. So, you know, I'm trying to organize this shed the better. Somebody threw out all this PEX type tubing a couple of years ago, and I took it. So, you know, it's just been sitting in here. And that stuff ain't too cheap. So, now all the the sleeve hitch stuff will end up on the shelf in there together where I can find it if I need to put a sleeve hitch on something. So that more than likely all that bracketry there will end up on the Indy 500 when it comes home. So it is a little windy out still. I got my trailer cleaned out. And I threw a bunch of weights and stuff back there on the ground. I'll have to clean that up and put them somewhere. Got two that are in the ground now. I use them for miscellaneous things to hold stuff down and whatnot. Yeah. I listed the bagger for sale locally on Facebook, also the engine. So, I got just tons of stuff I need to do. My wheel horse tiller, it's going to be coming out for, and taking over to Terrell's for a video. Whenever I get to it. And whenever they say, okay, bring it over. So, you know, I got tons of stuff to do, and, you know, even though I just took scrapping, I already starting another pile, and I brought home a dryer from alongside the road. See, this is all a bunch of crap I had sitting in the shed. I had that kitchen sink is also from alongside the road. You know, you can't hang on to everything, so some of the stuff has to go. You know. Eventually, like I said, we're going to be on this, we're going to be on that one. It's just got too many irons in the fire, in other words, right now. And I still got to take the steering wheel off of the Suburban there for a guy. And whatever else people need. Yeah, I'm not moving very fast. Still have to do the transmission on the 92. Roper, I need to start it, and I need to take and pull the snowplow off and put the mower deck back on and put the ags on and get it ready to mow some grass. So that'll be going on. I've been using the 67 a lot to take care of the driveway. Next time the driveway gets tore up, I may set up the tripod and go after it with the little thing and show you guys how it works with a sleeve hitch on the back. Does pretty good. I mean, it's still a 3-point, but it's a 3-point with a sleeve hitch. The Craftsman, I have to contact the guy and give him the address, but the LT2000 is getting looked at tomorrow. Hopefully it's gone, because I'm slowly trying to build up some money so I can go to the tractor show up there in Illinois. So yeah. And somebody was saying in the comments that this is the same deck on this Craftsman as the Husqvarna. Yeah. This is after the switch from AYP to Husqvarna, because they name changed it. And they started changing stuff. So, yeah. The frames are extremely weak on these. The transmissions are so-so. One thing I didn't mention in the video earlier today is, I believe it was this side. A few years ago, it was in Terrell's shop for an axle replacement. It snapped the axle. So, you know, things are built cheap anymore. There's Flash. Hi, Flash. Oh yeah, now roll around, make them happy. Shadow was over here earlier, the all-black cat. That's it. Lick your private parts on camera. So, the little trailer is still gonna get repainted this year. If not, it'll get done towards winter time, but I'd rather do it sometime during the summer where I can put the parts up on the clothesline, preferably when my mother is not home. That way she can't complain to me that she can't use her clothesline. Because that's what I do a lot of times, is in the summertime I'll hang the parts up on the clothesline and paint. So that's about all that's going on for right now. I'm gonna be getting my butt into gear at taking and stripping those frames down after I clean up more of this stuff. So, alright guys, I just thought I'd give you an update, and yeah, the parts washer's now inside. Alright, bye.